Hi guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will show you how to convert JPG image to PDF. So guys, let's get started. Open the image you want to convert. As you see, in this image is JPG format. Long press this image and select the option to print, then zoom the image. Now you open the properties of image and you will notice the images convert into PDF format. Save the image now into your desired location. Then open the specific location of the image. And check the detail of the image. You will notice the image converted into PDF. So how you guys convert JPG image into PDF? Thank you guys for watching this video.